Oh, what's called patience, you weren't exactly full. Understandable, agreed, and anyway, you're young, and the don't give a damn approach is the older generation's bitter pill. Of what's called sweetness, neither were you full. Understandable as well, regrettably, you're young, milady, of the ice-cold heart. Indifference is your middle name. So here I am, brimming with forgiveness. Joyful, no, that's not the word, but let's say calm. Though I won't claim I've enjoyed these sad months of my reign as the world's least lucky man. And you can see how right I was when I told you in my darkest moods that your eyes, those foci of my oldest hopes, burned only with the fires of treachery. You swore blind I'd made the whole thing up, your face, that catalogue of lies, flared like a dying fire's last hope. And then I love you in that voice of yours. You see how we're caught by the need, come rain or shine, for happiness? But what a day it was, how bittersweet when I discovered just how right I'd been. But there it is, no self-pity now. You weren't in love with me, and that is that. I shan't go seeking people's sympathy. I'll plump for silent suffering instead. Oh, yes, I'll feel the pangs of love, all right. But I'll be like the valiant soldier, full of love for his ungrateful country as he lies dying. You may have been the cause of my distress, my love, my darling, my princess, and still I think of you as my motherland, young and mad like France itself. Now, one thing I don't want is to wallow in great floods of tears. But my love for you, which you thought dead, sees things at last for what they are. My love, which now is memory, but still bleeds from the shelling it's endured, weeps and must, I think, go on in pain until it dies. I may be right to think I glimpse remorse in you, rare to say the very least, to think I hear your memory say, in its despair, no, this is wrong, no, this is bad. I still picture it, how I eased open the door, and there you were in bed, tired, so I thought, but full of love and light as air. Up you jumped, naked, tearful, glad. Then what kisses, what gymnastics! Even I was laughing through my tears. Of all moments, this will no doubt be the saddest, but the best for me. All I want to keep of your smile and your eyes, goodness and your tender traps, in short, and against my better judgment of simply you, is the appearance of you. I still picture you in a white and yellow summer dress with curtain print flowers, but without that moist abandon of the most abandoned time we knew. The little wife, the eldest daughter, had come back in that dress, and straightway I knew our fate was watching me beneath your veil. May you be forgiven. It's for this reason my eloquent memory of you hangs on with still some pride to that flashing sidelong glance you gave. Sometimes I'm the stricken ship which lurches unmasked through storms deprived of guiding lights. But deep in prayer, as it goes down, sometimes I die the sinner's death, who knows he's damned without a priest. Gone all hope of absolution, he writhes in self-inflicted hell. But sometimes I know the first Christian's blood-red joy in the lion's den, smiling up at Jesus looking down, his face and flesh the model of calm.